I already given you 15 questions. Uh, I think you already answered all those. I am supplying answer. Check it. I think you already answered all the questions. Now check it with answers. I am supplying. Number one, here alkene will be produced. No alcohol you will get. And number two, in sucrase, present yeast is not used. Number 3, it is rectified spirit 95% ethyl alcohol by weight. Number 4, it is wash and the percentage of ethyl alcohol is 15 to 30%. Number 5, ethylene or ethene on water treatment it will form ethyl alcohol. And number 6, it is isobutene or 2-methyl propene. Number 7, here isopropyl methyl ether on treatment with hydrogen iodide it will give isopropyl methyl ether. On treatment with hydrogen iodide it will give isopropyl alcohol. And propan to all it will give it will form iodoform, but methanol will not form. As propan to all on oxidation it will form ketomethyl group. And now the mechanism, the reaction between HBr and ethyl alcohol, it is SN2 reaction. From one side bromide will attack and hydroxyl group will expelled from other side, so there will be inversion of configuration. And last question, propene on treatment with sulfuric acid and then water will get two products, one at one position and another at two position. Hydroxyl group may enter. Answers of another 5 questions. Here C9H10O, it will be parethyl benzaldehyde, as it will on oxidation will form 1,4-benzene dicarboxylic acid, and as well as this will give the DNP test, Tolen test and Cannizzaro reaction also. As these two carboxylic acid groups are far from each other, that is in opposite position, so it will not be able to form hydrogen bond within themselves. And draw the picture in your exercise book and then check it. Question number 12, it is acetophenone. Acetophenone on treatment with iodine and sodium hydroxide it will form iodoform and benzoic acid, and as well as on oxidation of acetophenone we will also get benzoic acid, that is Y. 13, it is methyl alcohol on treatment with bromine and phosphorus it will give methyl bromide, and it will on treatment with magnesium and ether at cold condition will give the Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide. It is on treatment with solid carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, will give the intermediate CH3COO MgBr, and on treatment with water it will give the acid CH3COH, and these again on reaction with methanol it will form the ester, that is CH3COO CH3. And 14, it is there are here it is a unsaturated carbonyl system, but it will not form iodoform, as here CH group is present. CH group, there is no ketomethyl group. And look the flow chart and we will find how it will first react with sodium borohydride, then on treatment with HCl and zinc chloride, and after potassium cyanide and hydrolysis it will form the 5-carbon carboxylic acid unsaturated system. Similarly, another one is also possible, but is there any other possibility? Yes, A may be this, Now try for another acid using this. And the last one, it is very easy, that is with hydroxylamine it will form oxime, and then it will acetaldehyde or ethanol, and finally it is butanoic methane ethane propane butanoic acid. That's okay. Today is no more. I am ending today. Be good, be happy, enjoy this Durga Puja, keep watch on your health. Goodbye.